Are you wanting to grow a large Enagic business? Are you wanting to be supported properly whilst learning the foundational skills to be successful within Enagic? Are you wanting to create simple duplication for your team members to help them also become successful? Now, I believe your answer is a bold yes to every single one of those questions. Hi, my name is Martin Ball and welcome to your Membership Zone overview. Now, I created the Membership Zone for my own organization, for my own downline, and it has proven to be an essential tool for giving them a strong foundation of knowledge about Enagic, the value of the Enagic product range, Kangen water, and how to build an authentic and profitable Enagic business, as well as so much more value. Since early 2015, I have been helping distributors outside of my organization, and I realized that there was a need to share the value I had created from my own organization with you and other Enagic distributors. So today, you can start to learn the essential foundational skills needed to build your successful Enagic business and one which duplicates with ease. Your membership zone is packed with huge value. Everything that I have learned since I started, and the benefit that you will receive is how you can save money, save time, and when you implement what I teach you, you have the opportunity to achieve success far faster than I did. Now, we are going to work together through information-packed modules, taking you right from the start of receiving your unit, understanding Enagic and Kangen water, social media training, ensuring you remain compliant. You'll also be able to access 2 live weekly training sessions and communicate with me live on the calls. Also, as I have been in and around the health industry over 25 years, I will be bringing additional health educational value into the community to help you learn more. You will have personal access to me to help you grow your business and help you grow. There is so much more value within your membership zone that it would take me all day to expand on it. Although one of the biggest bonuses of taking advantage of the membership zone that I have created is that you will get your own personalized website, a page to share with other people, and email notifications when people choose to enter their details for you to contact them. This is huge value. I am also going to give you one better and give you the opportunity to get your membership for free. All you are to do is to share the amazing value with other people, and when just 3 people join the membership through your account, you receive free membership for each month when at least 3 referrals pay. And I am also expanding that offer out to them as well, so we all receive huge value. You can learn more about everything that I just spoke of below, and if you are serious about achieving success within your own Enagic business, as well as helping your organization achieve the same, then take action today by joining the Membership Zone and experience all of the value for yourself. I am looking forward to supporting you and your team. I will see you soon. Bye-bye.